This image currently feels a bit flat and lacks atmosphere. But with just a few lighting techniques in Photoshop, we can create a much softer and more cinematic look. First, use the lasso tool to select the areas where the light should naturally appear. This gives you more control over the lighting instead of adjusting the entire image. Then create a brightness/contrast adjustment layer to gently brighten the selected areas. The goal is not to make the image look harsh or overly bright, but to create the feeling that light is actually hitting the subject. Next, increase the feather on the layer mask so the brightness blends more smoothly into the image. If the edge is too hard, the effect can easily look fake. At this point, the overall image still feels a little dark and heavy, so use curves to gently lift the midtones. This helps the image feel brighter and more open, while still keeping its depth. After increasing the overall brightness, the colors usually become slightly less intense. So here, just add a little vibrance to bring the colors back in a natural way. Now the image already looks quite different from the original. However, what it still needs is atmosphere and a more cinematic feeling of light. Now create a new layer. Change the blend mode to divide. Select the brush tool. Then choose a soft blue tone. Next, go to brush settings and turn off spacing. This helps the brush stroke feel smoother and avoids a grainy look when painting the light. Lower the brush flow and opacity, then gently paint over the highlights and the edges of the subject to create more atmosphere. What makes Divide interesting is that even though we are using blue, the result creates a warm orange and yellow cinematic glow. This blend mode works with inverse color behavior, so the light it creates often feels quite unique and different from the usual blending modes. If the effect feels too strong, just lower the opacity a little to make the overall result more natural. At this point, the image already looks pretty good. But to give the lighting even more depth, I will add a light ray layer. I already made a separate video explaining this effect in detail, and you can check it out in the top left corner. Here, change the blend mode to linear light. Then reposition the light area and press Randomize to find a light ray pattern that matches the lighting direction of the image. Next, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, to make the light softer and blend more naturally into the environment. Then lower the opacity depending on the intensity you want, so the effect supports the image instead of becoming too harsh. And here is the final result. Compared to the original image, the photo is now not only brighter, but also has much more depth and atmosphere. The goal of this technique is not to make the image look fake, but to create emotion and atmosphere through light. Hopefully, this video gives you another useful Photoshop technique, and I'll see you again in the next video.